Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And so we're going to go ahead and look at the Google Pixel 3 running Android 12 Beta 4. And there was a bit of a hiccup when I was updating this device to the latest beta software, and I'll get into that right now. So you guys know recently I just got this device. It's not even that old of a device in my lineup of things. I mean, I've had it before, but this particular device right here, I just recently got again. And so it went through all the different software updates that it needed. It was several security patches behind. And I went ahead and got those done, got it updated, let the phone mellow out, and then I decided to update it to 12 Beta 4. Now, during the process of getting it to 12 Beta 4, I ran into a little bit of a hiccup. So when doing that, several times I had to factory reset it only because there was an issue regarding the Google account and also reading that there was an active SIM card in it. I'm not entirely sure why that happened, and I don't know if anybody else is experiencing the same issue if they tried to go to to any of the beta software with the Pixel 3. But I will tell you guys that it did mellow out, so that issue is gone. The phone is functioning just fine. So I just want to let people know that if you're running across that issue, just give it some time to mellow out. That's what I did. After the second factory reset, I just decided to say, screw it. Let me just, see what happens. So I let all the apps update and then just let it sit for a while. I got into it and it mellowed out, and now it's running just fine. So I don't know exactly what went on there, but I assure you it'll be okay. Now let's just kind of look into the things with the Google Pixel 3. This device has been out for some time now, and the statement they say when they're like Google Pixel phones get better with time. That is absolutely the case with this phone. It gets better over time. I cannot tell you guys just like how much more smoother it is compared to what it was on Android 11 and when it was on Android 10. The Pixel 3 is just functioning so much better. It's very, very smooth. The fluidity is there with the software, so I will give it that. All the cameras work. So the two selfie cameras work. The main camera sensor in the back works for still photography and video. Audio is still punchy and loud, so that's a big ups right there. And yeah, performance wise, RAM management, all those things, it's pretty much in line, which I expected that from 12 beta 4. 4 is pretty much like, where it's really kind of stable and just the very, very small bugs are being ironed out before official release of the next version of Android. And I have to say that, it just breathes new life back into the Pixel 3. So if you have a Pixel 3 and you haven't even tried Android 12 beta and you're kind of curious about it, go ahead and give it a shot. I mean, you're going to see exactly what I'm talking about. It's just doing just fine. The same issues, though, that plague the YouTube Studios app for YouTube creators, expect that. That is something that is just going to be across all Pixels. I don't know if any of the other non-Pixel devices that's in the beta program are experiencing the issue with YouTube Studios. And if someone does have a device that's not a Pixel, that's in the beta program, that's experiencing that, let us know. Or if you're not experiencing those issues, let us know. But I can tell you all the Pixels are pretty much going through that issue with YouTube Studios in the beta program. So anyway, that's all I have to say on the Pixel 3. If you guys enjoyed today's video, smash that like button. Really helps out the channel. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notifications so you guys won't miss a video or live stream. Thanks for checking it out. And as always, Aloha.